Good evening, everyone. How you doing? And welcome to the Crown Lounge. What we got going on today is a old-fashioned-ish drink, right? It's called the Zapatero. It is a Mezcal heavy cocktail with a hint of bourbon. First, we're going to start off with 1.5 ounces of some Mezcal. I should have learned this from the last one. The top is messed up. Anywho. It's going to give it a good smoke flavor to it. Next, we're going to go with a bourbon, right? You want to use a higher proof bourbon. And looking through my bourbons, this is one of the higher ones I have. It's the Old Ezra 7. It comes in at 117 proof, right? So we're going to go 1/2 ounce of bourbon. Next, we got some Orgeat syrup. It's an almond syrup. And we're going to go 2 teaspoons of the almond syrup, right? Next, we're going to use an Aztec chocolate bitter by Fee Brothers. And we're going to go just 1 dash, right? Last but not least, we're going to just use your regular old aromatic bitter. And we're going to go 1 dash. All right, we're going to give this a good stir. Get it nice and chilled. You can smell that Mezcal. I have me a rocks glass. And let me strain this, because I want to add no more ice, right? You garnish it how you want. Cherries, orange slices. But I'm going to just go to drinking. Cheers. There's a lot of flavors in this. A lot. I think I like it. I think I like it. I would like to see mezcals become more prevalent, but they're not. Because I like the smoke, right? I like the smoky flavoriness of a mezcal over tequila. But you can't find a lot of mezcals here. I think I love her. It's a pretty good drink. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.